Zach Paikoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be showing you how to interpret stem and leaf plots. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so in the last video, we learned about how to create stem and leaf plots. In this video, we're going to be learning about how to interpret them. So let's try a few problems together. Okay, so the first problem reads, at a swim meet, Isaac noted the size of various swim teams. Okay, so this right here is the swimming team sizes, which are the number of swimmers. And if we look here, the stem, it goes up from 30 to 90, and the leaf goes from 35 to 90. And if we look at this question right here, it's asking what is the size of the largest team? So we are given the choices 94 swimmers, 92 swimmers, 90 swimmers, and 89 swimmers. All right, so let's see here. So if we look, 89 is less than 90, so we know it can't be that. So we're left with 90, 92, and 94. But if we look, the numbers 92 and 94 are not given. It just gives us 90. So we can cross these two out, and that leaves us with 90. So the answer for this problem is 90 swimmers, because if we look, that is the number that is given for the last digit, and therefore 90 swimmers is the size for the largest team. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, so this next problem reads, while writing a paper on making decisions in groups, Nina researched the size of a number of committees. Okay, so if we look at this stem and leaf plot, it is showing us the committee sizes, which are the number of members. And if we look, the numbers in the stem go from 30 to 60, and the numbers in the leaf go from 33 to 66. And this question right here is asking, how many committees have at least 61 members, but fewer than 68 members? Okay, so we're going to be looking at this part of the stem and leaf plot. So we're going to be looking at the sixth column. So if we look here, we are given the numbers 62, 62, 66, and 66. And I count 4 digits for this. So the answer for this problem is 4. Because we counted 4 for this digit in this table, and it looks to me that 4 committees have at least 61 members, but fewer than 68 members. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's hop on to another one. Okay, so this next problem reads, Mr. Scott, a PE teacher, wrote down how much weight each of his students could lift. Alright, so this stem and leaf plot is showing the weight lifting results that are measured in pounds. And if we look here, the stem goes from 2 to 9, and the leaf goes from 20 to 90. And this question right here is asking how many people lifted at least 64 pounds. Okay, so we are going to be counting from everything before 64. So if we look at the leaf, and we'll count the numbers. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so it looks to me that 13 students lifted at least 64 pounds. So the answer for this problem is 13, because we counted the numbers for the leaf, and we counted 13. So 13 people lifted at least 64 pounds. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing a couple more with you guys. Alright, so this next problem reads, for a math assignment, Zane researched the scores of the people competing on his favorite quiz show. So if we look here, this is the stem and leaf plot showing the quiz show scores. And if we look here, the stem goes from 1 to 9, and the leaf goes from 12 to 90. And this question right here is asking how many people scored exactly 19 points. All right, so that tells me to look at this part of the stem and leaf plot right here. So we are given the numbers 12 and 13, but we're not given the number 19. So this answer is 0. No students scored exactly 19 points. So the answer for this problem is 0, because we looked at this part of the stem and leaf plot, and there's no 9 right here, so no students earned 19 points. No students earned exactly 19 points. So that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing one more with you guys. Alrighty, so this last problem reads, a volunteer for the local running club counted the number of participants at each race. Okay, so this stem and leaf plot is showing the participants per race. And the stem goes from 5 to 8, and the leaf goes from 50 to 89. And this question right here is asking how many races had fewer than 70 participants. Alright, so if we look here, we are counting up from the numbers before 70. So if we count, we're going to count the numbers. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We could count this, but this is bigger than 70. 72 is bigger than 70. So if we counted the numbers, that gives us 8. So the answer for this problem is 8 because we counted the numbers. So therefore, 8 races had fewer than 70 participants. And that is how to solve this problem. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did and are a new member to my channel, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!